All right, fabric at its finest. Let me show you these. They're just so pretty. This is a cotton poly. Feels like a tencel. It's a stretch woven. It's a beautiful, beautiful, this cream milk color that's so popular right now. This is all kite, K-H-A-I-T-E, and they're fabrics and they all blend together and they're the same colors. So this is a cotton poly. It's like a tencel. This is 100% silk, same color. This is woven. I mean, I should tell you about this one. Beautiful drape, just stunning drape. This one is a cotton poly knit. But you can see they're all the same color and they just all have a tendency to blend, that monochromatic look. This has stretch in one direction, just really beautiful. It's 100% linen. This is a classic linen color. It's a woven 100% linen. Beautiful piece of fabric. This pulls in, it's 100% cotton. You can see it pulls in all the colors. So it's a great print to put with everything. It's just beautiful. And all the contemporary colors which are popular right now. Again, 100% cotton, stretch in both directions. And then we have this gray, and I put this in because it has gray in here if you wanted to mix it with a gray. This is 100% linen. It's a stretch woven. Just the fabrics. Oh, I'm just way too excited. So happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.